Retirement is a significant life milestone that many of us look forward to. It's a time to relax, pursue passions, and enjoy the fruits of our labor. However, achieving a financially secure and healthy retirement requires careful planning, discipline, and a clear understanding of the financial landscape. Let's explore the essential elements of financial planning for retirement. From setting goals and saving strategies to investments, healthcare, and lifestyle considerations, we'll provide you with a roadmap to help secure your future and ensure that your retirement years are truly golden. Retirement is the time in a person's life, on average around age 62, when they leave the workforce. Retirement can be voluntary or involuntary and lasts roughly 20 years for the average American. It can be a relaxing time of exploration, fulfillment, and leisure, or a stressful period of financial struggle. You've worked hard for most of your life, and it's time to live off the fruits of your labors. No more worrying about pleasing the boss or customers or finding ways to put up with difficult coworkers. No more fighting traffic. No more performance evaluations or interminable meetings. Suddenly, your time is your own. You can take up a hobby or volunteer for a worthy cause. You can even work part-time if you like. But if you fail to plan and save, or if life just deals you a bad hand, retirement can be a time of major struggle. Even under the best of circumstances, retirement can be disorienting for a lot of people who suddenly find they miss the structure and purpose of full-time work. For many, the answer is to just give it time. But when financial problems enter the picture, it's not that simple. There are a few misconceptions or myths that many people hold about retirement. For example, many people believe Social Security will be enough for all their expenses in retirement and that Medicare will be sufficient for their medical bills. The wobbly three-legged stool of retirement. Traditionally, financial planners use the metaphor of the three-legged stool to describe planning for retirement. The three legs were Social Security benefits, personal savings, and employer-issue pensions. But the three-legged stool no longer symbolizes the current state of retirement because pensions, also known as defined benefits plans, have become a thing of the past. Today's retirees must turn to retirement savings accounts. Experts say retirees need to replace an average of 70% of their pre-retirement income. But that is really closer to 100% for low-wage earners and typically less than 70% for people who have higher incomes. What is Social Security? Social Security is the government program that provides a stream of income for most retirees. Nearly 90% of retirees receive Social Security benefits, which represent about 33% of income for older people. The amount of the benefit payments is determined by how much the retiree earned when working and the age at which he or she retires. People who have to quit working before full retirement age can apply for Social Security disability benefits. Setting retirement goals. Defining your retirement lifestyle. The first step in retirement planning is to envision your retirement lifestyle. We'll discuss factors like where you want to live, your desired activities, and your ideal standard of living, helping you set clear goals for your retirement. Estimating retirement expenses. Understanding your retirement expenses is crucial. We'll explore how to estimate your future financial needs, including living expenses, healthcare costs, and potential travel or leisure activities. Determining retirement age. Choosing when to retire can significantly impact your retirement savings. We'll discuss factors to consider when deciding on your retirement age, including Social Security benefits and your financial readiness. Retirement savings strategies. Building an emergency fund. Before you start saving for retirement, it's essential to establish an emergency fund. We'll explain the importance of this financial safety net and how to build it. Workplace retirement accounts. Many individuals have access to employer-sponsored retirement accounts. We'll delve into the benefits of these accounts, how to maximize contributions, and strategies for optimizing your investments. Additional retirement savings accounts. In addition to workplace accounts, there are various retirement savings options available. We'll explore traditional and Roth IRAs, SEP IRAs, and other savings vehicles that can enhance your retirement nest egg. Catch-up contributions. For those nearing retirement, catch-up contributions can help boost retirement savings. We'll explain the eligibility criteria and contribution limits for catch-up contributions. Investment strategies for retirement. Asset allocation. Asset allocation is a critical aspect of investment planning for retirement. We'll discuss strategies for balancing risk and return through diversification and asset allocation. Investment vehicles. We'll explore different investment vehicles, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, and how they can be tailored to your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Risk management. Mitigating investment risk is essential for a secure retirement. We'll discuss risk management techniques, including the importance of a diversified portfolio and strategies to protect your investments. Income sources in retirement. Social Security. Understanding Social Security benefits is crucial for retirement planning. We'll explain how benefits are calculated, when to start receiving them, and strategies for maximizing your Social Security income. Pension plans and annuities. Some retirees have access to pension plans and annuities. We'll explore these income sources, their benefits, and how to make informed choices about them. Withdrawal strategies. Creating a sustainable withdrawal strategy is essential for making your retirement savings last. We'll discuss withdrawal rate guidelines and the 4% rule, among other strategies. Healthcare and insurance. Healthcare costs are a significant expense for retirees. You should plan for these costs by considering your insurance options and any out-of-pocket expenses you may incur. It is also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle to minimize the risk of health problems and associated costs in retirement. Here are some tips to help you plan for healthcare costs in retirement. Consider long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance can help cover the costs of nursing or in-home care if you need it in the future. Long-term care can be a significant financial burden in retirement. We'll discuss long-term care insurance, its benefits, and how to determine if it's the right choice for you. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Taking care of your health can help you avoid costly medical problems in retirement. Medicare and healthcare costs. Understanding Medicare and healthcare expenses is critical for maintaining good health in retirement. We'll delve into the various parts of Medicare, its costs, and strategies for managing healthcare expenses. Lifestyle considerations. Downsizing and housing. Housing is a significant expense in retirement. We'll explore options like downsizing, relocating, or aging in place, and their financial implications. Hobbies, travel, and leisure activities. Retirement is an opportunity to pursue passions and enjoy life. We'll discuss budgeting for hobbies, travel, and leisure activities while ensuring financial security. Estate planning and legacy. Estate planning is essential for safeguarding your assets and leaving a legacy. We'll explore strategies for estate planning, including wills, trusts, and gifting. Conclusion. Financial planning for a healthy retirement is a complex and ongoing process, but it's one of the most important steps you can take to secure your future. By setting clear goals, implementing savings and investment strategies, understanding income sources, managing healthcare expenses, and considering lifestyle choices, you can build a robust financial foundation for your retirement years. This guide provides the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the path to a secure and fulfilling retirement, ensuring that your golden years are truly golden. Stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring with us. See you in the next video.